Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be swapping out my headlights with other pair of headlights that I've bought now in the week. I'm gonna actually just restore the headlights a small little. I've already sanded it down last night, so I'm just gonna polish it up and fit it, as well as take my old headlights and post it to one of the subscribers that is actually interested in it. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen today guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Sit back, relax, and stay tuned.
A lot of niggas changed up, but I remain the same one. Life taught me how to keep my eyes open. Haters talking shit, that's how the devil try to get me. I get paid to pay attention.
Right guys, so I'm gonna begin by removing the bumper. Normally the bumper, there's like two bolts keeping it right there, and then obviously yeah, but the grill, need to loosen that few bolts there, as well as the headlights. I'll show you guys now shortly. So what you do is just loosen these two bolts for the headlights, 10-inch, and then over there by the grill, and then same goes the other side, as well as the bolt right there under somewhere there. Anyway guys, let's get started.
That's just how it works, it is what it is. Done talking to them niggas, done try to preach. Done talking to them niggas, done try to preach. I'm feeling way better than I.
Here's the bumpers off. Here's the old lights, and this is how it's looking now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take these lights and then send it to the owner, to the new owner, and when I come back, and then I'm gonna fit my lights. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that piece. And yeah, I might give the car a wash and a polish later as well. Okay guys, so basically I'm just gonna flat the lights again with 1500 grit sandpaper. Gonna water sand it, and then I'm gonna do a polish. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. So yeah,
Fell last year. Being humble, you know you gotta respect that. Money first, and so they not your priorities. Like going to varsity and doing your honor degrees. Doing the most for family, I made that a habit. I ain't perfect, but at least a nigga trying, dawg. I came from nothing, but you know we still humble, Lord. So many changes in my life, but I still feel the same. Haters hating, but you know I don't still give a damn. Back to back, had me thinking about my impact. Get up and
guys, so I ran into a hiccup. I was gonna do a two-stage polish, but apparently this pad I got from my friend, the thread there and the thread on the polisher machine varies, so I will be able to use this, but the outcome already is much better than what it used to be. So yeah, I think I will leave it like that for now. However, I am going to open the lights up again and then redo the inside and outside. Let me just quickly show you guys the lights, how it's looking now.
Unities until dodging my setbacks. So I sit back and I sip that. I repeat all the niggas I lost last year and all the past years. Still surprised that I really make it past here. Music, man, we did it for the passion. If you ain't happy, how you gon' make it lasting? See all the upsets, I lifted in the past tense. But I'm so packing, exposing all these niggas when they really out here lacking. Running on these tracks like a really good athlete, this shit is cold. A lot of niggas changed up, but I remain the same one. Life taught me how to keep my eyes open. Haters talking shit, that's how the devil try to get me. I get paid to pay attention, that's just how it works.
There you guys have it. I don't know if you guys saw, but the one light is quite a bit dirty on the inside. Hence why I said I'm going to take it out again and clean it properly inside and out. For now, I just need to get the lights in the car because I already dropped off the lights at Postnet and it's going for shipping to Joburg. So I need lights and I need to a few places where I need to head. So yeah guys, I'm gonna fit the lights back into the vehicle now. Hopefully I still have old bulbs laying around as the engine eyes, and these bulbs aren't the same. The engine eyes however is H1s and these are H4s, so I'm gonna see if I have some of the old bulbs of my previous vehicle still laying around for now, and later upgrade to LEDs. So yeah, let me fit it quickly.
It is what it is. Done talking to them niggas, done try to preach. Done talking to them niggas, done try to preach.
I hate you, but I love you.
Yo. I remember when I used to fuck up my allowance for drugs. Even that wasn't enough. I needed love, but the world's full of lust. A part of me honestly wanted the bust. The crumbs of the opposition, niggas always bitch. I fucker grew up in the mud. My cousin got shot in the head just because. So fuck you for judging the whole underdog. Everybody's innocent, that is just a bullshit statement. I am tired of the fake shit, so I gotta separate the black from the white. And it's basic for you to think that it's so racist, but you gonna tell me that pink is red and a white man don't consider my color skin. Imagine me roaming in gated areas, sagging my pants with my nappy head. That's a nigga moment. I own this shit, so keep your distance on me. I'm a night.
Alright guys, there you have it. Scarlett's new eyes.
Trust me, but get on my bad side, it's all the business, homie. Get creased, flat iron, I'm anti-hero, driven solely by my ambition. I'm lying, my vision is bad bitches kiss a sip of jack, got the flash, wishing for a happy ending.
Bad bitches kiss a sip of jack, got the flash, wishing for a happy ending. Bad bitches kiss a sip of jack, got the flash, wishing for a happy ending. Bad bitches kiss a sip of jack, got the flash, wishing for a happy ending.
Bad bitches kiss a sip of jack, got the flash, wishing for a happy ending.
Right guys, headlight install complete. Look how nice she's looking now. She's looking very nice. I actually like it way more than, okay, I was never a fan of the angel eyes in any case, but yeah, in any case, that's how she's looking guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and share with your friends for more content. Today I won't be able to wash the car, I think, because as you guys can see, look at the weather. Maybe just gonna do a quick wipe down, and I won't be able to polish it as well. I'll leave that for another day, another video on that obviously. But yeah, I'm actually liking the lights. However, I do have one problem. The light didn't come with park covers, so the cover that goes into there where the park bulb goes into. However, I didn't get those with the lights, and the previous angel eyes didn't have of those because the parks was the rings. So yeah, that's the only hiccup I had. However, that's not too much a problem. I will find two of those somehow, somewhere, or if one of you guys have a set laying around of those, please hit me up. And yeah, anyway guys, I think that's about it for today. Stay safe. Once again, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Cheers, guys. Right, guys, so basically it started to drizzle now, so I won't be even wiping the car. I don't know if you can see on the car, there's some wet spots. So yeah, pointless me wiping the car now. So yeah, I'm just basically gonna have a haircut, freshen myself up, and yeah, see you guys on the next video of Gaijin Customs.